Hi guys, and welcome back. Today, on this extremely hot Sunday here in New Mexico, I have just been like procrastinating all day. Didn't want to water my garden, didn't want to do anything but just kind of sit in a corner where the air conditioner was and stay cool. But anyhow, so yesterday I didn't post because we went to a rodeo, and today I just was waiting for it to cool down a little bit. But here's what we're going to work on. We're going to distress around the fireplace here. I'm just going to put some soot. I probably won't, I've got to paint, and or actually I think I'm just going to cover this with brown paper bag and then paint it to match the floor. But I don't think I'm going to do anything other than that, just because I might put a little pattern in it, you know, like what's on the floor. But I'm not going to do anything crazy with that because it's going to be the fireplace and it's going to be really dirty. I've decided to go ahead and go with the grungy floor. So this is called Hickory Smoke. So, and we'll come back to this again, but I'm just going to, you see kind of how it looks like ashes. That's all I'm going to do here. And then I'm going to come back with, I think I have one called something soot. So that's what this is. And I'm just going to kind of swipe it around to kind of just give it like a dry, ashy look in the lines in front of it. As if like you had just swept. So that's what I'm going to do there. Next up, I'm probably going to do the shelves. I have to paint them first, which is not a problem. It's just a little bit of a tight space. But I'm just going to do them a dark brown. And then we'll work on accessories for them. So anyhow, there's that. So basically I just wanted that to look ashy. Just like that. So it looks kind of extreme on the camera, but in real life, looking at it, it's not that extreme. You can just barely see it. So that's next. I gotta find the dark stuff. And I really think I'm gonna wait on doing the dark stuff until I get the actual fireplace in. So off camera, I'm going to finish the build, and then we'll come in, and I might be able to put a little bit of soot, you know, here and there, but I don't want to do too much until I get the fireplace actually in. Whoops, I keep kicking my table. The fireplace in actually, and now this is called ground espresso, so it basically looks like coffee. We could do a little bit of this just to kind of, you know what I mean, like dress up those cracks. Okay. We go along here a little, give it a little definition. I love this stuff in junk journaling and making my miniatures. This stuff really helps. So I'm just gonna get this a little dirty, a little grungy around the front of the fireplace there. And then, like I said, when we get ready to so today I think what I'm going to do off camera is finish building the house, the room. And then I think I got water to show you the effect of once the water touches it. So you see that actually looks pretty good from here. Just put a little water. And I do mean a tiny bit of water. and come in. It's almost like watercolor. And we'll stain that up a bit. There we go. And then we'll let it dry. So next up, like I said, I'm going to go ahead and finish putting the room together. And then I'm going to give that a chance to dry. And then I'm going to go back over this with a sealant, Mod Podge. Probably Mod Podge. I have a good one. And it won't make it too shiny, but it'll give it a little shine. Alright, so next up, painting these cabinets off camera and the windows off camera. And then once it's all finished, put together, we'll go back in and we'll decorate those cabinets. But I wanted to at least give you an update on where we're at and how things are going. So, hope everybody's having a great weekend. If there's time today, I'll come back and do a second video and show, if I have time, show you what I've got done, because there's still quite a bit to go. Guys, I appreciate each and every one of you. Please keep subscribing, keep liking, spread the word. I'd like to see my channel grow, and I can't do that without your help. But I do appreciate all of you, all of you. So with that being said, you guys have a great rest of your weekend. Bye-bye.